الرحمن الرحيم.
Verify that the indicated function is an explicit solution of the given differential equation. Assume an appropriate interval I of definition for the solution. So our differential equation is dy dt plus 20y equals 24, and the explicit solution that we wish to verify is y equals 6/5 minus 6/5 times e to the minus 20t. So we'll simply need to test y in this equation, but we'll first need to find dy dt. So we need to find the derivative of y with respect to t. So we have this function y of t, and we can see that the derivative of 6/5, that's a constant, so that will be 0. And to find the derivative of negative 6/5 times e to the negative 20t, we're going to take the derivative of the negative 20t, which is negative 20, and multiply that by the negative 6/5, and then of course then we'll just have e to the minus 20t. And we'll find that dy dt is going to be 24 times e to the minus 20t. And so now we can test that in this equation. So dy dt is 24 times e to the minus 20t. And then we're going to add 20 times y. Well, y is given as 6/5 minus 6/5 times e to the minus 20t, and that should be equal to 24. So when we simplify this, we'll get 24 times e to the minus 20t, plus, well, when we distribute the 20 times 6/5 will be 24, and 20 times negative 6/5 times e to the minus 20t will be negative 24 times e to the minus 20t, and of course that will be equal to 24. And we can see that the 24e to the minus 20t minus 24e to the minus 20t will be 0, so we'll simply get 24 equal to 24. So we can see that both sides of the equation agree, so that means that this explicit solution, y equals 6/5 minus 6/5 times e to the minus 20t, is a verified solution to this differential equation. And of course, this is assuming that we have an appropriate interval I of definition for the solution.